Retake, take two. What's good, sneaker family? It's your boy Fabe, back with another one. And today, we're gonna be working on the Doernbecher 9s. Created by Osvaldo Jimenez of the Doernbecher Children's Hospital, this is definitely one of the popular 9 colorways of the Jordan 9. This pair has definitely been through the ringer and back, as you can see. I mean, they've been out since 2012, so I expect somebody to wear them, but today, we're gonna bring them back to 2012. First, you want to apply your Fabes Sole Sauce to the affected area. On this particular model, it happens to be the entire sole, so go ahead and hit that up. You do want to avoid the Jumpman though. A, you don't want to waste the product itself, and B, it can discolor the Jumpman. So just do your best at avoiding that. Hit the rest of the soles all around. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and cover it with saran wrap. I always recommend using 2 pieces of saran wrap just so you can get the middle of the sole breaking point. It can be nice and even. After that, you're going to want to put it under sunlight or UV light. I definitely recommend doing both, sunlight during the day and UV at night, just to keep that process going. After that, you're going to want to simply remove that saran wrap and wash off the remaining sauce and look at your results. Depending on how bad your soles are, you may have to do this process multiple times. These particular shoes took me 6 sessions at 24 hours each session. Once again, sunlight during the day and UV at night, and these are the results. And there you have it. You've just restored your Doernbecher 9s and they're ready to hit the streets once again. The product link for Fabes Sole Sauce is in the description below. If you have any suggestions on any sneakers you would like to see done, please leave a comment below. Also, if this video has helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, for there'll be many more videos to come. And thanks for watching.